Hey, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatexhomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Wednesday morning forecast update. Rain is moving out and the heat moving back in. Pretty hot day yesterday, but everybody will feel it today as we do have a heat advisory back with us until 7 p.m. this evening. So it feels like our heat index temperatures this afternoon likely going to surpass 105 degrees just due to the high humidity. We do have forecast highs today in the mid-90s and may see these heat advisories stick around for much of the upcoming week here. As far as what we're seeing this morning, we do have mostly clear, partly cloudy skies, no rainfall. Of course, that was the story yesterday, over a foot of rain in some areas in southern Arkansas. So that's good news that the rain's going away. Unfortunately, we have the heat advisories building in, but everybody in the mid to upper 70s this morning. And starting out dry, high pressure really starting to take control of the region. So you can see the remnants of Barry being swept off through the Tennessee Valley there, and a whole lot of nothing happening through the middle of the country as that high really kind of squeezing out the last of the rain chances here, pushing some drier air in, especially in the mid and upper levels. So that's likely what is going to shut off the rain chances here as we continue through the week. This morning, pretty warm start. Everybody in the mid to upper 70s here. And as far as the visibility, that's one thing that we'll have to watch out for this morning because we still have a lot of standing water across southern Arkansas. A lot of places that probably just still seeing a lot of high water on some of the roadways there. And visibility is dropping across the same areas that did receive the heavy rain yesterday. So if you're out and about this morning, maybe headed back to work this morning after staying home yesterday, just to be mindful, especially in the early morning hours here. We do have some patchy, may even see some dense fog in those locations. So if you're coming up, especially with the terrain over one of those hills, never know what's going to be on the other side, maybe high water for us. So just be mindful of that this morning. The rest of us seem to be in pretty good shape as far as the fog and have a little bit of a breeze. That may help out with the heat just a little bit today as we do have the southwest wind this morning at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. By noon today, you see most of us into the low 90s, that heat advisory carrying through this evening, and should have evening temperatures in the 80s. So even this evening after the sun sets, it will be a pretty warm night for us. And there's the forecast highs for everybody between about 94 and 96 degrees this afternoon. So look at wide range. Of course, the ridge of high pressure building in here. You can see that kind of pushing the jet stream up across the northern half of the country. So that is where the rain and thunderstorms and the cool down chances will be for much of the week. We'll go ahead and show you a couple different future casts here. This one from Robbins Toyota. This is our in-house model here. It does show a lot of cloud cover this morning. We're not going to see that much, but it will be partly cloudy at times through the day. Notice nothing as far as really pop-up rain on this particular forecast model, and it does show a few clouds building back in tomorrow. So hopefully that may shave a few degrees off some of the highs for us as we go into your Thursday and Friday. As far as the rainfall potential here, again, not looking good over the next week. We'll see some rain return next Monday and Tuesday, and we could see, again, maybe less than an inch in most areas if we do pick up anything heavy. Probably not until early next week, but really not seeing it at this point. I'll show you the HRRR model. I've included about a 10% chance of rain today, and that's because it is showing, again, a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms here south of Interstate 20, so hopefully we can get that sea breeze going. We do have that nice southwest wind in place today, so it is possible we can push in a little bit of rain south of I-20, and again, what that would do is just provide a few cooling showers for the region. Not too concerned about any rain for those of you in the northern Arklatex that did see the heavy rain yesterday, but the heat advisory is likely to continue. We'll stay in the mid-90s here through the upcoming weekend. Weekend dry but hot, and once we get into Monday, Tuesday, we do have a bit of a front that will slip into the region, and hopefully that will cool our temperatures in the 80s, and it looks like may have a cool down for hopefully much of next week.